Is this the right time to invest in the world of digital assets? That is a question on many minds. Tonight we are looking at one company at this intersection of finance and technology, DeFi Technologies. It is a smaller player in the vast crypto landscape, focusing on products that let everyday investors access digital assets via traditional stock exchanges. The central question for potential shareholders is simple. Is it a wise investment, a speculative hold, or something to pass on entirely? This analysis lays out clear facts so you can form an informed perspective. The company has been in the news for several key reasons. First, it reported its third quarter 2025 results. Revenues were $22.5 million with operating income of $9 million. That signals meaningful income generation from operations. At the same time, leadership changed. Johan Wattenström became CEO and executive chairman. A new leader can signal a fresh strategy or a doubling down on the current path. DeFi Technologies operates mainly through its subsidiary, Valour, which creates and lists exchange-traded products, ETPs. These track underlying digital assets, like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, but trade on regulated markets. The argument for investing begins with assets under management, or AUM. By late September 2025, AUM reached $989.1 million. This matters because fees are tied to the value held in its products. Rising AUM comes from new money plus appreciation of underlying digital assets, translating into stronger revenue. Rapid expansion shows a receptive audience and rising crypto interest captured by the platform. Another pillar, prolific product development. In late October 2025, for Valour 2025, Valour hit its 100th listed ETP. The product, Valour SEK ETP, listed on Sweden's Spotlight market. Management says this completes the largest, most diverse crypto ETP lineup globally. Products trade across Frankfurt, Zurich, London, and Paris. The lineup even includes a peppy meme coin ETP, serving varied investor appetites. Institutional support has intensified. In September 2025, the firm completed a $100 million raise, oversubscribed and led by Galaxy Digital. Capital supports operations, product development, and potential acquisitions, and signals confidence from notable institutions like Van Eck, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan. When professionals weigh in, investors listen. For DeFi Technologies, coverage is small but overwhelmingly positive. Stock Analysis reports a strong buy consensus from 2 analysts, implying expected outperformance. Average one-year target, $6.25, versus a recent price, near $2.13, implying roughly 200% upside. H.C. Wainwright reiterates a buy with a $5.50 target. These are forecasts, not guarantees, but the rationale highlights innovation and leadership. Analyst Kevin Deedy points to unique products and industry education as differentiators. The portfolio's breadth exceeds other crypto ETP providers globally. Momentum appears recent and ongoing, with 8 buy ratings this month and 0 hold or sell. Now, the other side of the coin. Management cut full-year 2025 revenue guidance from $218.6 million to $116.6 million. They cite delayed arbitrage execution amid competition and less favorable market conditions. Crypto is notoriously volatile. AUM can swing quickly. Shares have swung too, including a reported 8.29% drop. Regulation remains an ongoing uncertainty. A company's resilience lives on its balance sheet. For DeFi Technologies, there is strength and necessity. It reports a strong position, with roughly $165.7 million on the balance sheet. This provides cushion against shocks in funds operations. The recent $100 million raise bolstered this. An oversubscribed deal led by Galaxy Digital is a vote of confidence. It adds dry powder for marketing, hiring, products, and M&A. But the deal included warrants. Over 34 million warrants exercisable at $2.63. If exercised, share count rises, potentially diluting value per share. It also underscores capital intensity and competition. Growing AUM and launching across exchanges takes resources. Monitor cash burn and the path to sustainable positive cash flow. So is DeFi Technologies a buy, a hold, or a pass? It depends on your risk tolerance and conviction in digital assets. This is a classic, high-risk, high-reward story. Rewards: near billion AUM, product innovation, most diverse crypto ETP suite, institutional backing, strong analyst sentiment, fresh capital, and a new CEO. Risks: sharp guidance cut, market volatility, regulatory shifts, potential dilution from warrants, and profitability still developing. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence. Consider a watch list, monitor AUM and earnings, and track the new CEO's execution.